the last FDA inspection, the guy was coming through town and he had already hit one of my one of the other companies that does nutritional supplements under 21 CFR Part 111, and he was telling us how awful the audit was. They had gone through they'd taken a product off the shelf and they wanted to see a complete chain of custody and testing of that product backwards through all of the steps, showing that there was chain of custody and audits on identity and potency of that product going all the way back through the manufacturing process. And they were pulling out their hair, trying to find the right documents, pulling up the paper production records for that product. So the same auditor came into our facility, and instead of spending a whole week with us running around looking for documents, he pulled a product off the shelf, and we went through a chain of custody and audit on that product within about 1.5 hours using the InstantGMP software. And so what should have or could have been a week of having an auditor there, he was only there with us for about 2 days. On the third day, he said, "Well, I'm done, and you'll get a report." And he was out of our doors by Wednesday.